wale nimesema wale wako karibu na William Samoei Ruto kule sehemu za Sugoi wakate miti isiwe karibu, kwa ajili tarehe 9 asubuhi ya huyo usiku kura itatangazwa na huyo mtoto atajinyonga. Wakate miti.
Tuoli na wengine wa matusi mingi na akili kidogo.
Asante sana.
Atuoli is barely literate. I don't think he has gone to... What advice can he give to a president?
Get out! Toka nje! Toka nje! Asante sana. Be fearless! Be fearless! Be fearless! Be fearless! Asante sana. Mimi nikiwa Garissa, nikifanya Garissa miaka ya 80, Duale kilikuwa kitoto kidogo kinaenda nasari na irisi. Ile irisi ya Wasomali kwa shingo. Chanzi sana. You are a betrayer. Kalonzo is a betrayer. Chanzi sana.
Wewe Atuoli. Atuoli, how dare you?
Chanzi sana.
Unasema Waluya ni shenzi. Atuoli, Waluya sisi sio shenzi. I am a doctor of medicine. I don't know what you are yourself.
Mimi siku hizo nilikuwa nacheza dance na mama yako. We are the majority. We are the majority. We are the majority. Chanzi sana. Musitishwe. Musitishwe. Leteni tuende kwa referendum. We are the majority. We are the people. We are there. Chanzi sana. Pati hiyo ya Jubilee ni pati gani hiyo? Ni pati gani hiyo? Hiyo ni pati gani hiyo?
I have never told you something and it has never come to pass.
This is true.
Yeah. And if you want me to tell you, I will tell you right now.
Go on. Are you switching off your phone because someone is calling you live?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Because before we didn't have telephones, we had no problems.
We were taken to court by a stupid man called Atuoli. I have no regret to say he's a stupid man because he is. He's a very foolish person. Because he is supposed to be representing the lower people. What business does he have defending Deputy President not to pay 5,000 shillings?
It's always good to be stupid than to be a thief. A stupid can be advised. A thief steals from the mother.
When we came into office, we had 3.8 million people contributing to NHIF, right? And everybody was contributing 340 shillings. Or is it 320? 320 shillings. Everybody, just like the 200 of NSSF. So we decided to say, okay, why don't we adjust so that the people who earn more, like Deputy President, can pay 5,000. Then the other people can be graduated like that.
NHIF is empty. NHIF is empty. Who emptied NHIF? Is William Samoei Ruto. There is nothing. Ask the service providers to NHIF. They have never been paid. Billions and billions of NHIF went away. But at NSSF, I said over my dead body.
Sitting where I have sat as Deputy President, I have seen how effective, simple, concrete, focused decisions can change a nation.
The anger between William Samoei Ruto with me is that I stopped him from stealing at NSSF. Simple, 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 simple.
Naona ile ujinga iko. And those are the people roaming the corridors of power and giving us lectures. What lecture are you giving us?
I'm going to London next week on Wednesday. I will be there. I'm leaving over the weekend. From there, I'm going to US From there, I will go to Israel. Wherever he has gone, I will be there. Atajua hajui.
Simbo.
We will not have a lot of presidential candidates kuja kutusumbua watu wengi kusema anataka kuwa president na hata kwake nyumbani sufuria hana. Sasa wakati huu farasi ni mbili peke yake, ukiona ingine ya tatu itakuwa punda. Mzee wenu, mnasikia? Mimi kama mzee wenu, mimi nataka kuambia nyinyi, na msiposikia hamtasikia na mtu mwingine. Tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8, kura yako isipotee kwenda kwa mtu ambaye hatakuwa president. Pigia Raila Amolo Odinga. Mnasikia? Pigia Raila Amolo Odinga. Na mambo ya debate usiende huko. Mimi nilianza kufanya kazi Ruto akiwa na 6 months. Akiwa miezi 6. Chance mtoto mdogo mjinga. Pumbafu.